Are you ready to do some up and down stretches with Declan? Firstly, crisscross your legs like Declan and we're ready to go. Up, 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 but don't touch the bees. And down, down, down. But careful of the grubs. Up, 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 into the air and wiggle your fingers. And down, 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 and pat the ground. Up, 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 and grab the clouds. Down, 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 and pat the ground. Up, 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 there's a magical cloud. Grab some unicorn rain. And down, 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 and pat the ground. Up, 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 and wave your hands. And down, 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 and pat the ground. Up, 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 but don't touch the bees. And down, 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 and pat the ground. Bye for now.